Lights.
Camera, action. Leo, look. See, look.
Brava.
Shut up. No, just do it normally, like you'd normally do it. Just like exactly like you would do it.
Oh yeah.
Yay, we got the cheesecake recipe. I feel really confident putting it into the cookbook now.
On video or not on video?
I think we should start the video with you with the knife in your hand. Is that the recipe or is this your recipe?
I'm just inventing now.
Are you?
Yes.
Oh, that's not good.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! It's nice with tea.
Like, got a nice cup of tea. What a lovely cup of tea.
It's nice
All
with tea.
sort of like that.
We laugh, we cry, we punch each other in the face, and then we go on. Use your sense of smell. Julia Child, a very famous American chef. I met her once. I have my picture with her. She had, I think, a book signing or something, and I got to meet her and have my picture taken with her. And she had a very big head.